actually put that on my screen. So when it comes down to doing a shopping cart trick and you guys want to get approved for a credit card through the shopping cart trick, depending on where you get that credit card from, if it is not a Visa credit card or a MasterCard credit card, you can only use it at that store. So when I tell you guys to use, go ahead and go to the Camping World website, which is this website right here. This website, if you try to get a credit card with them, they're going to give you the Good Sam credit card, but that can be a Visa or it can be the store card where you can only use it at Camping World. The biggest part I want you guys to take away from this is this. If you want to find out if you can use it there at that store or anywhere else, it's just call the company, wherever you get the credit card from. And understand if it's a Visa or a MasterCard, don't forget that can be used anywhere Visa and MasterCard is accepted. But on this website, if you go ahead and work towards doing a shopping cart trick for this website, they have an option of giving you a Visa card, or they have the option of just giving you like not a Visa credit card, but just their store card. But you can see that that's here right here. That's here at the top too. They want everybody to get a credit card, so they have it right at the top. So if you get a credit card from like Victoria's Secrets, you can only use it at Victoria's Secrets. I also heard that you can use that at Bath and Body Works for the Victoria's Secrets. If you get the Overstock one, you can only use that at Overstock. If you get the Express, you can only use that at Express. So kind of understand that when it comes down to the shopping cart.